Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to expand quadratic expressions by using formulas. So basically there are three formulas that we are going to use to expand the quadratic expressions. So let's begin. Let me write down the formulas first. So the first formula we are going to use, that would be a plus b whole square, that would be equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? The second formula is a minus b whole square, that would be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third formula is a square minus b square. Let me remove the bracket. So it would be a square minus b square, that would be equals to a plus b and a minus b, right? Now let's start with the first question. Simplify the following expressions by using formula. Now in the a part is x plus 3 whole square, right? So let me write down the a part. So the first question, it says the a1, that is x plus 3 whole square. So which formula we are going to use with a x plus 3 whole square? So we have x, we can say a, and we have a plus sign, and b and the whole square. So we are going to use the first formula. So if I can say x is my a, 3 is my b whole square, it would be equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can open it in this way, right? So let's do it. So if I consider my a value is my x and the b value is my 3, its whole square. So a square means a value is x square plus 2, a is the x and b is the 3 plus b square, b value is 3 whole square. So the answer would be x square plus 2 times 3 would be 6x and 3 times 3 would be 9. So that is the expanded form by using the formula, right? Okay, let's do the second part, the b. Okay, let me write down the b part of this question. So in the b part we have 2x plus 5 whole square. Again we are going to use a first formula because we have a plus b whole square, positive sign. So let me write down the formula first. So that is a plus b whole square would be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Sorry, it's positive, it's a plus b whole square. Okay, so now your a value is, and when you compare it with the formula, a value is 2x and the b value is 5. So a is 2x and the b value is 5. Its whole square would be equals to a square, it means 2x whole square plus 2, a value is 2x into b value is 5 plus b square, that is 5 square. So 2x whole square, 2 times 2, that is 4, and x times x would be x square plus 2 times 2, 4, and 4 times 5, that would be equals to 20x, and 5 square, 5 times 5 is 25. So that is a simplified expression by using the formula. Okay, now let's go to the c part. The c part of the question says x minus 6 whole square. So let me write it down here. So the c part, it says, let me write down there, yeah. Okay, in the c part we have x minus 6 whole square. Now we have a negative sign between the two numbers. So which formula we are going to use? So we are going to use the second formula with the negative sign, right? So let me write down the formula first and then we can start. Okay, so here we are going to use a formula a minus b whole square. So that would be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, now what is your a and b? So keep in mind the a value is your x and the b value is your 6. So a is the x and b is the 6. Its whole square would be equals to a square. It means x square minus 2 times a, that is x, times b, that is 6, plus b square, it means 6 square. So let's open it. So that is just x square minus 2 times 6 would be 12x and 6 times 6 would be 36. So that is the answer for the C part, right? Okay, let's go to the D part of the question, and it is, or D part is 4x minus 7 whole square. Let me write it down over here. So the D part of the question is 4x minus 7 whole square. Again, we have a negative sign. We're going to use a second formula. Let me write it down. A minus b whole square. So that would be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Now what is your a and b? The a value is 4x and the b value is 7, right? So 4x minus 7 whole square, that would be equals to a square. A value is 4x, so 4x square minus 2 times a value is 4x, times b value is 7, plus b square, and the b value is 7 square. So let's open it. 4x whole square means 4 square and x square. So 4 square would be 4 times 4, that is 16, and x times x would be x square. Okay, minus, now we have 2 times 4, that is equals to 8, and 8 times 7, that is equals to 56. So negative 56x, and then 7 square, 7 times 7 is 49. So we have got the answer for the D part. Okay, let's move on, and we have the E part of the question. It says 4x square minus 36. Okay, let me write it down first. Okay, the E part of the question says 4x square minus 36. Okay, so which formula we are going to use? So we are going to use the third formula when we have given a square minus b square. So let me write down the formula and then I will convert it into that form. So first, the formula for a square minus b square, that would be equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let me convert it into a square minus b square form. So we know that 4 is basically the square of 2. So I can write down 2x whole square, because 2 times 2 equals to 4 and x times x would be x square. So I have got 4x square, right? Negative, and 36 is a square of 6, because 6 times 6 makes 36. So 6 square. So now I can say that my a value, the a value is 2x and the b value is 6, and they have the squared, so a square minus b square, right? Now we have a square minus b square would be a plus b and a minus b, so 2x plus 6 and 2x minus 6. That's it. So we have got the answers. Now the last question of this video is the F part, that is equals to 25x square minus 81y square. Let me write down the question first. 25x square minus 81y square. Again, we have the two termed squares, and we are going to use a third formula, that is a square minus b square would be equals to a plus b into a minus b, right? Okay, now let me convert it into a square minus b square form. We know that 25 is a square of 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So if I can say 5x whole square makes 25x square, because 5 square is 25 and x square is x square. Negative. Now 81 is a square of 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So I can say that 9y whole square gives me 81y square, right? So now what is my x, a and the b? So the a value is 5x and the b value is 9y. So a square minus b square, that would be equals to a plus b and a minus b, that is 5x plus 9y and 5x minus 9y. That's it. So I hope you guys understand how to expand the quadratic expressions by using the formulas. So basically we're using the three formulas to expand the quadratic expressions: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. If you want to watch more and get updated, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.